Now we have a situation where new documents have been filed. We have no opportunity of responding to them in submissions because our submissions have already been filed. The only option was for us to file an additional affidavit explaining or answering these new documents and assertions that have now been made. And that is why the documents that were filed out of time on account of the system issues that my learned friend has alluded to. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
With your permission, your leadership, my lords, mine are separate and different issues. The first one relates to the orders you made for scrutiny this afternoon to Keegan for the first petitioner, together led by my senior Mr. Ngatia. It relates to
respondent, you mean?
Yes, first respondent. I apologize for that. We would like to request that the court takes on board consideration of the issues of security, considering what happened at the National Tally Center, my lords and your lordships, and we will be addressed, and we would prefer, considering the security issues also, that camera surveillance be addressed, my lords and my ladies. The second issue, my lords and my ladies, introduced two affidavits, and we would the two affidavits introduce very substantial facts that go to touch very seriously on our case, and we would like and pray for leave to respond to those affidavits, considering that you've allowed them in. Thank you.
My Lady, the Chief Justice and judges of the court, my name is Charles Kanjama for the ICT professionals who've been admitted as amici. I have also two requests to make to the court. One is that in respect of the scrutiny that will be taking place, that the amici whose assistance to the court is to give independent observation of the election technology be allowed to participate and also be allowed thereafter to prepare and present their own independent report so that they can effectively assist the court. Second, in relation to the technology affidavits that have been filed late in the last 2 days, the amici in their initial report had responded to the initial technology affidavit so that they could give an independent perspective from ICT professionals. Would request that they also be granted leave so that they can supplement that report by also responding to the subsequent technology affidavits which this court is considering whether to admit. That is all.
My Lady Chief Justice, my name is Mituga. For the petitioner, in petition 004, I also have a problem of experience by the rest in filing documents when there was a system downturn. Our rejoinder was supposed to be filed on 28th, but due to system problems, although we filed our set of documents serving as a rejoinder, we presented them to court yesterday. When they were stamped as filed out of time, in considering the rest of the document filed out of time, we asked the court also to consider the fourth respondent's document. Supplementary submissions, the supplementary affidavit and list and bundle of documents dated and filed on 28th of August 2020.